It should be remarked that Dali draws a rounded form like a bean on the top of the head of some figures. This is the brain, as the artist illustrates in a passage from Secret Life.
At the end of that summer, which was extremely hot, I was as thin as a skeleton. My body was absent from my personality, as it were, and I felt I was turning into one of these fantastic figures by Geronimo Bosch, for which Philip II was so enthusiastic about. I was, in reality, a kind of monster, whose only anatomic parts were an eye, a hand, and a brain.
The material of these brains can be a rock or a pebble, but can also be a loaf of bread. The cyclists in the film Baba Owu, for which Dali wrote the script, wear loaves of bread on their heads, a symbol of the imagination.